live at the Arieta
Arieta
Coliseum.
Coliseum. Let's welcome
Carla Fernando, who's
Fernando.
wearing red. His beautiful red t-shirt.
famous
Thanks
girl.
for the beloved sponsor. And now,
Paint shop.
pension.
We have 5 questions for you.
Not 5, but it's so
Yes.
many questions. But you know, let's
paano mo yan, ha?
let's make it coming slowly.
Okay.
First,
Go ahead.
about we heard that you will be turning 18 this coming July 17th.
Yeah, definitely.
So, according to to our source,
yeah.
we heard that you will not be having some celebrations like there's a theme like wearing gowns because you think that it's kind of OA.
Oh yeah, you're right, girl. I don't like parties like wearing long gowns, saying some, speech, and I don't like that. I was like, ew. You were saying that to me? Ew. I was thinking about a theme that.
Wait, no, don't say. Oh my god.
I was like thinking a theme like.
I'm not
Wet n
finished
Wild.
yet.
No, excuse me. Let me finish.
Oh
it.
my god.
A theme that like Wet n Wild, that no parents allowed, no JOR. You know what I mean? Gore.
Yeah.
No KJs allowed.
you, Gore.
Like
Oh,
we're gonna have
something
Wet n Wild from Sundance sun up. No. You know what I mean?
you
Yeah.
but you're telling us that you don't like KJ person, but
Yeah.
that's you.
No, that's not me. I was like KJ when someone, I don't know, someone that close and
Wait,
wear.
you're KJ
about my
didn't
friend,
mean
huh?
meet Mancha.
No,
Yes,
I'm not.
you're not Killjoy today because you have a clever puppy.
Oh no, I'm not KJ. I'm not like.
Since you met Divine and Mancha.
Yes.
Can I have question for you?
What?
What's the spelling of KJ?
KJ, Kashayla, Jane.
You
It's
said
like a
bobo. I
no,
said
wait,
boy.
I'm not
Duh,
bobo.
I didn't say
excuse
that
me.
word.
I'm
Wait, I'm not the
interview here. Excuse me, people.
Ang taas
I
ng ipay
think
mo, ate.
I'm the one who-
Ano to? According Perlas?
Yeah, shut up. You better shut up, girl. Because I'm the one who's been interviewed here, and you're not. Come
No.
on. Learn.
Excuse me, we're the reporter. Off.com.